Good morning, everybody, all my first grade learners. I hope that you're doing well today. It's Miss Ramsey. Let's go ahead and get started with some subitizing. All right, how many do we have? 2. How many? 3. How many? 5. How many? 5 and 3 is 8. How many? 9. We have 9 there. All right, let's do some fingers. Show me on your fingers. Show me 2. Super easy. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, show me 7. All right, what do I need to make 7? 5 and 2 is one way I could do it. All right, show me 6. All right, how could I make it? 5 and 1 is 6. All right, let's go ahead and do 22. Let's do a big one. So freeze frame 10. Then what do I need? Freeze frame 10. So 10 and 10 is 20, and then 22. So how many more do I need? 2 more. All right, let's do 13. So what do I need for 13? Let's freeze frame 10. And then how many more? 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, let's do 18. So what should I do? I need to freeze frame 10. And then how many more do I need? 8. Awesome. Last one, let's do 27. So what should I do for 27? I need 10. And 10, and then how many ones? 7 ones. Very good. All right, let's ringo real fast. Are you ready? Ringo, tingo, tango, dinosaurs have skin. Ringo, tingo, tango, I can count by 10. Help me out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, and then dinosaurs have hives. I can count by 5s. Ringo, tingo, tango, dinosaurs have hives. Ringo, tingo, tango, I can count by 5s. Help me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And then let's see here. I'll do the up if you're going to keep counting up. I'll do down if you go down, and this for stop. All right, you ready? Let's start at 79. So 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. All right, let's do 15. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. All right, let's start at 102. So 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. All right, we'll stop right there. So our standard for today is OA.4 Represent and solve word problems that call for addition of 3 whole numbers whose sum is less than or equal to 20. All right, so we're going to be adding 3 numbers whose sum is less than or equal to 20. So here's our first word problem. So it says Miss Smith has 4 oatmeal cookies, 5 chocolate chip cookies, and 6 peanut butter cookies. How many cookies does Miss Smith have? All right, so one way that we could figure it out would be to use tens frames. So I'm going to go ahead and get 2 out just in case we need them. All right, so it says that she has 4 oatmeal cookies. So I'm going to use orange for oatmeal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says she has 5 chocolate chip. So I'm going to use black for chocolate chip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it says she has 6 peanut butter cookies. So I'm going to keep going. So 1, now I'm going to have to move to my next tens frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have 4 oatmeal as my orange, we have 5 chocolate chip as my black, and we have 6 peanut butter. So that's one way we can figure it out. So let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We really shouldn't even have to count those because my whole tens frame is full. So we should just know in our head that that's 10 and then count on. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So she has 15 cookies in all. But let's try it a different way. Let's try it on a number line. All right. So I'm going to draw a number line over here. So she has 4 oatmeal cookies. So I'm going to start right here at my 0, and I'm going to hop on over 4. So I'll put a 4 down here, okay? And then she has 5 chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to hop a big hop. I'm going to hop up 5. Now, if you want to, you could do each little dot, so you could, or each little jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can do your 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it either way, but I know what 5 plus 4 is, so I can just make those big hops. So 5 plus 4 is 9, so I landed right there on 9. And then I'm going to go up 6 more. So I need to hop 6. So one way that I could do that is break up the number 6. So I'm going to hop up 1 to make a 10 because 10 is our magic number. And then I need to hop up 5 more. So 10 and 5 is 15. So what I did was I broke up that number 6. And I broke it into a 1, and then I hopped 5, and I got to 15. So I broke up my 6 right here because I had 4 oatmeal, 5 chocolate chip, and 6 peanut butter. But I broke that up right there because I wanted to get to my magic number 10. So I said that 1 and 5 is 10. So on my number line, I hopped all the way up to 15. So I got it that way as well. Or another way to do it is, I know right off my head that 4 and 6 is what? Does anybody know? It gives us our magic number. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I added my 4 oatmeal and my 6 peanut butter, but then I need to add my 5 chocolate chip. So we added 4 plus 6 is 10. So now I'm going to add 10 plus 5 for my chocolate chip, and that gives me 15. So all 3 of those ways I got to the number 15. So I'm just trying to show you different strategies so you can use whatever is easiest for you. All right. And this time I'm just going to draw I've got some Uno cards. I'm just going to draw 3 and see what numbers we get. All right. So the line's on the bottom. So that means that I have 6. And then I have 4. And I have 4. So we'll add those up. So let me write those up here. We've got 6, but our standard, it says word problem. So there were 6 seashells on the beach. My friend found 4 more seashells on the beach. And my mom found 4 more when we were walking back to the hotel. So how many seashells did we find in all? Well, we can do our strategies again. So I can do my tens frames. So here's my tens frames. So we found 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we found 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that tens frame is full, so I'm going to move over here for my last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my tens frame is full, and then I have 4 more. So 10 and 4 would be how many seashells? That would be 14. Okay, we could also do that on a number line. So I'm going to hop up 6. So I jumped up 6. So I landed on 6. Okay. And then I'm going to hop up 4 more. Let me scoot this up a little. I'm going to hop up 4. So 6 plus 4 is what? It's our magic number, 10. And then I still have to hop up 4 more. So 10 and 4 is 14. So I got it that way. Or we could also just say, I know that 6 plus 4 is 10. So I know 6 plus 4 is 10. And then I need to add 4 more for that last group of seashells we found. And then that would be 14 in all. So we use 3 different strategies to find the answer to that. All right, let's do one more like this. So let's get some Uno cards. So I got what? 1. The line's on the bottom, so that means that's a 9 and a 5. Okay, so I have a 1, a 9, and a 5. So let's see what we could do for that. So I'm going to put out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. And then I have 1. So that made that tens frame full because 9 and 1 is 10. And then I still have to add my 5. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1 tens frame full. I added 5 more. So how many would that be? That would be 15. Yeah. So let's think of a word problem for this since our standard is talking about word problems. So I went to the grocery store and I bought 9 tomatoes to make some salsa. And then I needed 1 onion to go in my salsa, and I needed 5 peppers. So how many ingredients did I need? Okay, so once again, we could do it on our tens frame like we just did. We can do it on a number line. So I'm going to start with my biggest number. So I'm going to hop up 9. So I landed on my 9. And then if I add 1 more, that gives us our secret number or magic number, 10. And then I need to hop up 5 more. So 10 and 5 is 15. Awesome. Or last way, I know that 9 plus 1 is 10. So it's always easier to add those numbers if you have them to give you that magic number 10. And then I need to add 5 more. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. All right, so there's Jonah. So I had fun adding three numbers with you today. I hope that you have a great day. It's not raining right now, so you might want to get outside and play. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.